So our next look is a really fun look, one of my favorites. All you need is a wave machine, like a crimping machine, and you'll see what a beautiful effect it has. Make sure the hair is completely dry before using the wave machine or curling iron or straightener. You don't want the hair to burn. Working from the roots, just hold the hair in the machine for about 10 to 15 seconds and then work your way towards the ends. The thickness of the section depends on the thickness of the hair. We're just randomly sectioning the hair and just spinning it back to give it a little bit of volume. A little bit of sparkler hairspray just to give it some gloss. So now we're going to add on a little feather attachment to our hair. You can use plain colorful string if you want. We just thought we'd add a little boho gypsy touch to the look. There you have it. So I hope you girls enjoyed the wavy look. It's really easy. All you need is the wave machine, randomly section your hair and it's done. And up to you if you want to add a little bit of braids, you can add some shells, some feathers just to give it that edgy boho look.